Robert Nicholls is Professor of Coastal Engineering at the University of Southampton and presented a talk on flooding in coastal cities. So how would you characterise the risks?
Well, I think coastal cities are growing very rapidly, so there's more and more people living there, and at the same time we have storms and we have rising sea levels and climate change, and in a few cases some cities are actually sinking because of pumping of groundwater. So we're in a situation where risk is rising in these areas significantly.
So what needs to be done?
Well, I think we need to encourage more awareness. It varies from place to place. In some cities, they're quite well aware of this. I think London, for example, is preparing very well. But we have 136 cities with more than 1 million people in this study. And so we want to raise awareness in those cities maybe that are paying less attention to this issue.
And what attitudes are you finding to be prevalent?
Well, in general, I think societies tend to be rather reactive in how they respond to floods. In other words, they deal with real events. What we're showing with our methods is you can actually forecast and see these events coming and prepare for them, prepare for virtual storms. And so I think we want to try and change people's thinking from being reactive to being proactive.
So tell me a little more about how you actually want to change people's thinking.
Well, I think in terms of changing people's thinking, first of all, I think we need to get the sense that risk is rising. Many people think that don't really understand how much things are changing and how they're getting more and more vulnerable with time. And at the same time, there's lots they can do about it. So as long as they make decisions now at probably quite small cost, you can actually manage the problem. So it's really those two areas.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.